bunch. Get more focused here. We got gold here. We got gold here. So we got 2 diodes. Nice, nice, tiny board, but very nice. Put this on the side. I'd put this as high grade, or a peripheral board or something like that. I'll figure it out later, but I don't think it's gonna make that much of a difference because it's tiny. Alright, so you have this guy here. I'm not sure what this is, some kind of sensor. So we have the wire here I'm going to cut, and we're going to pop this open, see what's inside. I see a green board. I'm not sure of the quality of it. So let's open this guy up, and looks not bad. Already we have some chips. We have some gold here, obviously the wire. There's a switch / button here, so that should have some silver. It looks like there's at least this, I consider this a mid-grade board, and this is like a low-grade board. Not much on this one here. Let's open it up and see. So yeah, even here on the back, there's quite a bit. So this is, I think, a little more than a low-grade board. Or sorry, mid-grade board, like I was saying. Let's cut the wires. Board pile, and then we have, like I said, this definitely a low-grade board, nothing special. There you go. So it's almost nothing on the back, very little on the front. Alright, let's open this guy here. From what I see, this is some kind of sensor again, for like the doors or windows. Nothing special. Some batteries. These I might actually keep. I use them in quite a few things. The CR2032s. They're quite common, and I can always use extra ones.